Hello everyone, welcome back to Factorio. What am I saying? Satisfactory with GED. Guys, basically what's going on right now is we're breaking down our factory, building it from ground zero. We've made an amazing amount of advancements since the last episode, some of which were lost in a file crash. Sorry about that, guys. We just lost like a little bit of gameplay. We got some coal power up. And we're back in action. We're basically just building a huge floor. Got the nice space elevator, look at it up there. And then our coal power plants are over there, which are being fed by an extremely long mining facility because we're in the desert biome, which is like very far from everything in this world. And right now I'm just expanding the floors while my partner in crime over there is preparing the factory for its new and improved output. We're not masters at building by any means, but it needed to be reworked to be more efficient than it was, because it was definitely not efficient. What is like falling on my head? What? Like sparks flying at me. Interesting. Okay, so the top floor is expanding. There's a jump pad over by our main little base over there. Jump up onto this top section, and I missed a few misplacement. A few misplacements there, but we're good. But really, the expansion of the top floor makes us have a lot more room to work with, as we have the bottom floor for whatever needs to be done. Some of this can't be placed because of the encroachment on the space factory, space area, whatever you want to call it, space launcher, Launchy McSpacerson. And that holds on purpose because that's going to be an output downward, I think. Not really sure what the placement of stuff is at this moment in time, but we're good. There we go. Let's see here.
Corey, I think we change. Well, I don't know.
We got the massive amounts we need here. Here's a couple of personal storage boxes. You blew up my jump pad?
I did. Sorry.
Why did you blow up my jump pad?
Because it's funny.
We need that.
You can build another one. It was just in my way. I was too busy reorganizing stuff. I didn't really care about your jump pad right there.
Oh, in your way. What do we got here?
It was in the way of the power lines.
I'll power line you. Tilted jump pad is not what we wanted. We want the normal jump pad here. I guess I'll put it right there. I think that's gonna be okay. Power it up, and away we go. Yeah, there we go. Alright, let's clean up this top section. Got a few misplaced plates here. This is producing rotors up here and sending them down to the ground floor. Not sure if we exactly want to keep it that way, but we'll see. Alright, top is cleared for some more production here. Basically, we got to get our production back online because a lot of our stuff is just not functioning right now. This has no power. Why does this have no power? It's probably disconnected in the process of doing stuff. So we're gonna take a power line here. We're gonna take it up to this location, I guess. Nice. Okay. And we're gonna place another one. Oh, there's the power line in the middle. Okay. Is it not connected? No, that one's 4 of 4. There had to have been another. Yeah, there we go. There we go. And then we'll bring another power line up here because we're going to need to expand a little bit. Alright, so this little section of rotor production is back online. We need all the rotors we can get, so I probably shouldn't stop that. While we talk about that, we have a massive screw and copper factory over here. Well, the copper factory is not that massive. It's just kind of putzing along, but we have a huge screw factory over here just sending screws down into the base. Filling up this box with screws, and now we're channeling them into a, what is this, reinforced plate factory, followed by a nothing box and another reinforced platification. Don't know exactly what he's doing. He's kind of splitting the difference here of conveyor belts.
Plates go.
Those screws are on the mend.
A little messy right now, but actually it's not that messy.
Plates need to go over.
So
Just send them up and over.
go this.
This one can go. Let's see, this one can go this way.
Oh, that one's right there. Yeah, go straight into it. There.
a little bit of rampification going on.
2 rotors, 2 plates. Let's put those in.
There we go. Got some power routing through it. What is going on here? Oh, this is the output into the.
And they go in this storage unit here. Go out.
I don't need them in the storage unit. They probably need to go to the next construction.
No. Because with this, we'll be able to grab each component out of the box. Every step of the way, we have a storage unit. Also, if they run out of the power or something happens to the line, everything's in storage, so it'll still pump out everything without having to wait.
Taking all these rotors. We need boxes. We need to make boxes.
So now
need to make boxes for steel.
We need. Right now we need the modular frames, and need modular frame and smart plating. What do you need for modular frames? Rods and screws?
Modular frames require heavy plates and rods.
Heavy plates and rods. Okay. I have one of the rods split. I could probably split the other rod if you want to get running.
We can split either one of these ones that are backed up.
I mean, these rods are totally. I have 4 rods running. 2 of them are dedicated to screws.
Just split it right here where I am, in front of this thing.
Oh, this right here? You can split it.
Okay, I will. I will.
Do we build the 2 assemblers? Hold up.
Can just take it out of that storage box and route it over the top of these 2 conveyor belts, and then put it in. That's good.
Oh, put it into the storage box above here. Oh, no. Hold up.
Just take it over at the top of that thing.
Don't the output for heavy plates.
Yeah. It needs heavy plates and rods.
Wait, are you just trying to build 1 though? I'm trying to build 2.
Oh, fancy.
Yeah, not just
Well,
so if it's taking heavy plates,
Well, I can just bring both the belts here and split them again.
Well, the bait. So we have 2 split rods here already.
Yeah, but rods are totally backed up. I mean, it's fine.
Right. Trying to have some sort of organization here, Corey. Actually,
Some.
Oh, wait, hold up. If it takes rod and plates. Oh, I see.
Like, just build 2 fabricators right here in line with the other ones, and I'll split the lines, and I'll split them again.
Oh, we could do this. Throw this there.
That's what I just did.
Yeah. Sorry, I didn't know what you were doing. What goes like there? So they're going over that. Oh, why are you splitting that again?
Because you want 2 factories making double the production, right?
Look right next to you though. There's this thing here. This thing is rods also.
I know, but there's no point in splitting that.
Wait, what? There's one line they'll be working on. Why don't we want to do both?
Alright then. But this heavy plate can be split over here because it's basically
Yes.
outputting from 2.
Yes, this can be split. Build the assemblies out here. Power line away.
Uh-oh. What happened to our power?
I'm just fixing power. Power lines in the way. So 2 assemblers. Oh shit, I need heavy plates. Okay, so oof. Give me
Oh,
that
this
heater
is messy.
somehow. Good lord, Corey. What is this?
Well, this one's gonna go straight, and then it's gonna split to the left, and those 2 have to crisscross. Everything has to crisscross. Oh wait, no, I got an idea. I got a better idea. Got a totally better idea than that.
We just put a merger between these 2 rods and then split it again out there. Oh, you have to do this. I'll just watch.
The hell?
You are not organized at all. After all I did to make it look clean, building so much spaghetti. Wait, do you have that backwards or something? Why is
Oh,
it
the
not
top
connected?
top one's gotta be rotated. Oops, wrong button. Always a wrong button.
Corey, the problem with this, you have one line going into two factories, rather than the two factories that we have making rods not being used. Only one is being used.
It's fine, the rods are so backed up, it's not even funny.
God. No. No. Your ideas. Corey.
It could totally support it. Okay, then here's what I'll do. I'll do a junction so they're both feeding into all 3 lines.
You just. What? Hold up, hold up.
Watch this.
Let me-
It'll
look.
reliably feed. Wait. No.
Corey.
You watch me. You watch me.
Corey.
Watch this. Watch this.
Wait. What do you want to do? Show me.
So if I
Screw up everything here.
no, watch this. I'm just gonna put a junction box right here so it'll feed the other
What?
line.
There's a jungle box right there. It's already in the. Oh God. All right. What is? What? Oh, stop!
Watch this. It'll feed the other line.
Corey, why not build a merger out there?
There you go. See, now it's feeding the other line perfectly.
Whatever.
Now it's perfect. It's just a little
Oh,
just a little snake in the middle.
I want to put a beacon here. Corey did this. Just spaghetti.
No, it's perfect. They both have 2 feeds going into those junction boxes.
Oh goodness. Oh. Alright, so the top one is rods, huh?
Top one is rods.
So, what?
Look at all them rods. Look at all them rods. You connected yours wrong though. It made it not synchronous. Whatever.
Oh my God. Don't talk to me about synchronous right now. Okay, production's going good. We have 2 of these things. Power line. Said,
Why don't you just use the line command? Line automatically builds stuff like that.
what?
Like, don't use the rods, just use the power line, and it'll automatically place rods as needed.
Oh. Yes.
Yes. Okay, we got these producing those, and now we're
Oh,
back.
these things build so slow. Okay.
Yeah, super slow.
Alright. So, Oh, we need goddamn power. Alright, to put one storage unit between these two. So I'll build one here. Sure.
Interesting. Okay. Screws are going all over the place.
Push it there. Well,
Remember, we can also utilize the second floor too if we want to send parts upward for like further construction.
right. I mean, we have 2 iron lines going up there. I don't know what we're gonna build up there though, so we could just hold off.
Well, I mean, like at the end of this assembly line, if we need to further complexify the parts.
I just the power.
You killed the entire factory.
Did. There. Wait, why aren't they?
Why is everything still down?
Why is the left side working, but...
You killed the entire factory.
Wait, the entire thing is dead. What? How? Hold up. Is there... Oh, I broke the switch then. There we go.
Make some redundant connections. Make some.
There we go. There. We're good.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, everything's up and running. How much power do we have?
All right, screws, rods,
287 out
plates.
of 340.
Okay, all of our plates are just going in.
Well, actually, no, it's lower. No, it's jumping up now.
Do we have storage for plates? Yeah, we do have a
280.
storage for plates. Okay. I'm gonna take some of these plates. And then we need the travel tubes. The travel tubes are awesome.
Yeah, we'll get them in a little bit.
Work towards progress. I don't want to wall in the factory yet.
All right, Corey, we need
feel
one
like
last thing to automate smart plating.
I feel like walling in the factory would be a bad idea right now.
We also might need another coal plant.
Yep.
Okay, Corey, can I trust you to build some smart plating?
Nope.
We want to handle the coal plant then.
What
Well, I guess we don't need the coal plant right now. We have nothing sucking up that much power. Alright. So. Okay. Me. Yeah, we have a bunch of
Inefficient. That is horribly inefficient. But oh well.
personal storage stuff.
Okay, let's see here. Rocks are being totally used at this location, so I mean, we got good production going on.
Personal storage, a bunch of junk.
Everything's kind of cranking out as much as it can at one time. Smart plates. What do we gotta do for smart plates? We're gonna need some assemblers. What do smart plates take? Rotors and plates. Oh man, these take rotors and plates? We're gonna be so behind on those.
Yeah, we need lots of stuff.
My rotor factory up on top needs to come down, I think.
Milestone reached. Steel production unlocked. Foundry grants access to new, simple steel parts. An additional project part can now be
Rotors.
constructed.
Okay, these are pumping out
Progress to the
rotors.
next phase is now
These are
possible.
pumping out rotors. We need smart plates. Plating. Okay, we have 3 rotor factories, so I'm gonna convert one over to. I'm gonna convert one over to or heavy plates and send it down from top.
You're gonna convert to heavy plates?
Yeah, I'm gonna convert the top section I built to heavy plates, and then connect it with these 2 rotor factories to make smart plates.
Okay, handle the smart plating then. I'm gonna take care of the
Can we support 2 of these though?
coal issue we're about to have.
So this one is gonna go in line with that one, and this one will go in line with this one. Alright, so output of this one is gonna go outside. Output of this one's gonna go outside. And then we gotta convert upstairs to smart plates.
I didn't bring it. Conk.
Oh man, we also need frameworks. Alright, this is going to be the difficult part, converting that top section to make smart plates. So rotors need to be converted to reinforce plates, which need screws and plates. So this one's making screws, this one has to change to plates. This one has to change to plates. And basically, you gotta take this off. And, okay, undo anything that's in there. And there we go. That should be good. Now this should be, okay, we can send the rotors in, because rotors are already there. But basically we have to send it down there. And we make a connection. We make a connection right there. Excellent. Well, that came on top of the thing. Okay, interesting. Okay, so we need a splitter. Yep, we need a splitter. I was just thinking about how I wanted to do this. Logistics splitter facing right about here. Then we gotta bring this bad boy down here. Oh, there's something in the way. Okay, where can we bring it down, if anywhere? Okay, apparently there's something in the way. Let's try to bring it a little bit past. Try to bring it a little bit past where it's currently at. No. I think I can adjust that just by clicking on it, but we're gonna bring it a little bit right there, maybe. No, still in the way, still in the way. Okay, so this thing has to go up. Guess we gotta destroy it. Alright, conveyor pole. Conveyor pole has to go a little bit higher. I wonder if we can bring it down sharply. Definitely not gonna be able to get right here. Still encroaching clearance. What are we encroaching? That? That thing's still. Interesting. I think what we're gonna have to do, we're gonna dismantle this. Let's see if we can bring it, like, to here? Alright, and then it's gotta go straight down into a box. I wonder how sharply these things can go down. Conveyor splitter, right.
Wait.
Here?
Where's our rotor storage?
We don't have one, they're just feeding into stuff.
No, we need rotor storage. I need rotors. Build stuff.
Too steep.
Corey.
Just take them out of the factories.
They're so
Take them out. They're not producing anything yet. Just grab them out of where they're going into. Ah, I always forget double click. Let's see if we can do this. Nope, not that side. This side? Oh man, this thing's troublesome. We might have to think about this another way. Might have to bring it down. Well, first of all, let's see if we can... Yeah, this will work. Just a loop. Thing is, we just have to get it up there. So, let's go. This thing's kind of in the way now, isn't it? This pole. We can go straight down if we bring it over here, but I don't know if I want to do that. Dang, this thing is huge. Okay. Well, that thing's going to cause a lot of trouble there. Might have to go the more cleanly route.
Milestone exchange concluded. Fix-it freighter re-entry complete.
Oh, I can't get through.
Sheets.
This is not going to be lined up for now, but we're going to do it anyways. Actually, I think I might want to go one ahead. Mm-hmm. Oh no, that's up. But how do you reverse the up-down elevators?
First. They only go up and down, depending on... They only go up and down depending on where you start it from. So if you're starting from the bottom and going up, it'll go up.
Okay. There's probably a way cleanlier way to do this, but it's progress. Invalid shape. Well, crap. Guess we're gonna have to back it off one. I don't like how it just does that. it just does that. Oh, I can't grab them. Smart plates lost. Okay, so patch that back up. Now we gotta bring it down here. Okay, yep, this'll work. Voila! It has been completed. Sending plates down and a rotor stuck on the belt. There's always something that's like stuck on the belt. And a box full of plates that we can take now, and we should be good. Send the plates down. Thing is though, we can optimize this to create more plates because we have lots of output but little constructive input, you know what I mean? Can definitely be optimized. Shoot. Well, this is pumping out screws and they're all going in here. Well, I guess it's using all the screws it's getting, right? It's not collecting them. And this one is doing iron. This one is, yeah, I guess it's not producing enough to support 2 yet. Could be optimized though, definitely could be optimized. And this big area is just kind of a temporary thing. Alright, going down. So these have to actually go into that guy. Because they're smart plates, right? They're super smart. I wonder if for right now I could just do 2 inputs. Let's just do that for now. Temporary thing. Just because we have no other use for smart plates, might as well shove them into the 500 required. Crazy looking conveyor belt. Go smart plates, go. This is pumping out frames. Okay, we're getting the frames. Improved melee combat. Lots of copper, lots of wire. Lots of smart plates. All of our smart plates are like gone, used on the conveyors. We have a serious lack of smart plates. We do have wire and copper though. Can't really carry any more stuff. Let's garbage some leaves, garbage some wood, grab 2 of these out. It's funny how like one copper wire plant just running continuously can support everything in this game, and yet other stuff cannot even come close. Launch the improved melee combat.
Milestone reached. R&D inflated your pocket dimension, added an additional hand equipment slot, and have provided an improved Xeno Zapper with increased strength and range.
I forget what the object scanner even does. 2 beacons, lots of screws. You can build the Xeno Basher with 2 Xeno Zappers. I'll create one of those. Now we have 2 of those, and we need some scaffolding, and some wire and some copper. Scaffolding it is. Always with the copper wire. You always need mass amounts of copper wire. And then we'll get the scaffolding. Scaffolding is right there. I think we only needed 5. We'll take 30. You never know where you'll need it. Our factory is coming along fairly nicely. We got a nice little assembly line, working up the coal power, working out the production lines, doing alright. Let's see what we got to research next. Oh yeah, pod's already launched. Okay. Xeno Basher. Oh yeah, I gotta unequip my gun. Alright, got 2 of those. 2 of those. Should be able to make it. Tink, tink, tink. 20 tinks of our hammer. And we have a Xeno Basher. Xeno Zapper. And an extra hand slot. And just throw in some food. There we go. Alright, I made a sword.
Sword?
Yeah, the Xeno Basher.
What?
Oh, it's sweet. It's got little slash marks.
Hold up. I'm gonna make one too.
30 seconds and then we can start our next milestone.
Also, we have 2 more coal plants running, so we have all the power we need.
Oh yeah, 500 megawatt capacity. We're well on our way. We just got to keep production going.
Actually, it's not really 500. It's we need to turn off the. If we turned off the two things. If we turn off the 2 bio burners there.
No, just keep them rolling.
How do we get down? You need to make the gel so we can jump down.
Details.
Al gel.
I don't think we can quite do that. I think we need steel first. There, ooh, that's a lot of stuff. We need pipes. Ooh, we gotta make pipes now. Okay guys, that'll do it for this episode. We are well on the way. We just need to get our advanced steel production up and running. I'm guessing
is huge.
Guessing we can just well yeah, you're supposed to land on it, right? We're just supposed to up our steel game and see what we can produce here. Versatile framework. Those need to go to the space elevator. And normal steel production has to be improved with steel pipes. 3 steel just for pipes. Okay. See you in the next one.